Oracle Hearing Aids Honest Review. Oracle Hearing Aids have been making the rounds online, claiming to offer the premium hearing clarity for under $100, a price that's hard to ignore when traditional hearing aids cost thousands. But are they really legit or just overhyped? Let's start with the design. They look like standard behind the ear devices, small, beige or gray, and lightweight. The packaging and charging dock are decent, though not high end. The controls are basic, usually a small rocker button for volume and a single program switch. Now, how do they perform? In most user feedbacks and test demos, the Oracle works more like a sound amplifier than a true medical grade hearing aid. It boosts overall volume but does not filter background noise very effectively. That means voices are louder, but so are fans, cars, and clinking dishes. Battery life averages around 12 to 15 hours per charge, which is very decent for daily use. Comfort-wise, the silicone domes are lightweight and it fits most ear canals well. There's minimal feedback whine unless you push the volume to the max. However, since there's no custom tuning or noise profiling, people with moderate or uneven hearing loss won't get precise improvement, just general loudness. So, the pros of this product is that it's very affordable, rechargeable, lightweight, and easy to use. The cons is that it has limited noise reduction, not medically fitted, and inconsistent clarity depending on the environment. So, for final verdict, the Oracle hearing aids are more of an entry-level amplifier than a full hearing solution. They are great for mild hearing difficulty or for testing if amplification helps. But if you expect true medical grade performance, this won't replace a professional fitting. But still, for a $99 price, it's an honest step up from those cheap as seen on TV devices. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.